In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the Orton glow effect in Photoshop. Let's dive right in and transform your images with this dreamy, ethereal look. First things first, open up Adobe Photoshop. If you don't have it installed yet, you can always get it from the Adobe Creative Cloud website. This effect is great for adding a soft, glowing atmosphere to your photos, especially if you're working with landscapes or portraits. Now that you have Photoshop open, you'll want to add your image. You can either drag and drop it into the workspace or use the File menu to open it. Make sure it's the photo you want to work with, as this will be the base for your glow effect. Once your image is in Photoshop, we need to make it a smart object. A smart object allows you to apply non-destructive edits, which means you can go back and adjust your changes at any time without permanently altering the original image. To do this, right-click on your image layer in the Layers panel and select Convert to Smart Object. You'll notice a small icon appears in the layer thumbnail, indicating that it's now a smart object. Next, we're going to apply a Gaussian blur to your image. Gaussian blur adds a soft focus effect, which is crucial for achieving that dreamy Orton look. Go to the filter menu at the top, select blur, and then Gaussian blur. A dialog box will appear where you can adjust the blur radius. Play around with this setting until you find a level that looks good to you. Remember, it should be blurry, but you don't want to overdo it. Usually, a radius of around 10 pixels works well depending on the resolution of your image. After you've applied the blur, the next step is to brighten the image. Go to Image in the menu, then Adjustments and Brightness/Contrast. Increase the brightness to make the image glow while maintaining a natural look. The brightness level may vary depending on your specific image, so feel free to experiment until it feels just right. Now let's move on to fine-tuning the glow. In the Layers panel, reduce the opacity of your blurred layer. This will allow some of the detail from the original image to blend through, enhancing the glowing effect. Adjust the opacity until it feels balanced. Typically, an opacity around 30 to 60% works well, and there you have it, your very own Orton glow effect. To finish up, don't forget to save your work. Go to File, then Save As, and choose the desired format and location on your computer. With this efficient workflow, you can easily revisit and modify your effect whenever inspiration strikes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed learning this technique. Feel free to share your results or any questions you have in the comments below. Happy editing!